Python NPTEL Assignment for week 4. So go to course, week 4 assignment 4. For our first question, correct answer will be option A. Question second, correct answer will be option B, that is 111. Question third, correct answer will be option A, that is yes. Question fourth, correct answer will be option A and option C. Question fifth, correct answer will be 49. Question sixth, correct answer will be 105. Question 7, correct answer will be option D. Calculate factor of the number in n including n. Question 8th, correct answer will be option B, option C and option D. Question 9th, answer will be option D. Question 10th, answer will be option B. Thank you guys, we have completed all the questions of this assignment. Now we can submit our assignment. Thank you. I hope this video is helpful to you.